Hello, in this video we are studying the intersection of sets and its properties. Now for two non-empty sets A and B, the set of all the elements which are present in both the given sets is called the intersection. So for two non-empty sets A and B, say for example, once again, if A is 1, 2, 3, 4 and say B is 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here we can see that A intersection B, the common elements in both the sets are 3 and 4. Now mathematically, for every x which belongs to A intersection B implies and is implied by x belongs to A and x belongs to B. Now as I said earlier, we need to remember this mathematical definition for the prove that questions later on. Now talking about the properties of the intersection of sets, the properties, and the very first one of course is A intersection A is equal to A, and we call it idempotent law. The second one is A intersection B is B intersection A. This is what is called commutative law or property. The third one is A intersection B intersection C. It is equal to A intersection B intersection C, and this is called the associative property. Then the fourth one, now see, if you look at set A over here, we can see that all the elements of A intersection B are present in set A. So we can say that A intersection B is a subset of A, and A intersection B is also a subset of B. Then part 5, A intersection null set. Now because in the intersection the smaller set is the answer, so over here it shall be a null set, and the case of A intersection the universal set, it should be A. Now then we come to two important properties which involve the intersection and union. We call it distributive property. Now distributive property, the first one is intersection over union, and that is A intersection B union A intersection C, and the second is union over intersection, and that is A union B intersection A union C. If in case you sometimes get confused because of the formula, what you can do is you may just first consider it this way, that it is A into B plus C. So we get A into B. So into sign in the first case represents the intersection. So that way you can go on to write the distributive property. Thank you for watching.